Hey guys, I wanted to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to put a Dominoes box together. A few things that you're going to need is a toothpick, possibly a Q-tip, some gloves, UV resin, and a UV light. So it's pretty simple. If you're a visual learner, again, you're going to be a pro after this. I've said this plenty of times, but it's much harder when you can't see the end of the road, if that makes any sense. So I'm taking a toothpick and I'm putting UV resin right into the grooves of the box pieces. I'm using Dominoes UV resin crystal clear. Overall, I would say this is a pretty advanced box, only because, I'm not really sure what the maker was thinking because the pieces just don't add up. But it was a really fun project to do, and I hope you all liked watching this very short video. I hope you learned something. I'll see you soon in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.